What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits cocktail of the week. This week I wanted to play around with a little bit of I love my grape brandies. If you ever watch my show, you know I love my grape brandies. But I wanted to play around with something that was unaged or slightly aged. And that is the Grand Visco from Arbutus Distilling. I don't even know if they still make this, but I really, truly love this product. Super aromatic, fantastic grape brandy, unaged. The other one that I was going to play around with was the Narrative from Okanagan Crush Pad, which they don't make anymore either. So nobody's making unaged brandy in BC anymore. Might have to do something about that. So, shake a tin. 2 ounces of Grand Visco. Now, I wanted to give it a little tropical flair on this one. So we're going to go with 3/4 of an ounce of passion fruit syrup from Giffard. I know it's not local. I know I could have done better. I apologize. This was off the cuff. We're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of lime. Keep it as close as we can to that Pisco Sour heritage. Of course, we've got egg white. And this is not optional. This has to be done. So we're going to do a quick dry shake. Nice wet shake. Chilled Nora coupe. Double strain. And then to top it off, because usually Pisco Sours get dashed with Amargo Chuncho bitters, we're going to do the Rosehip Lemonade bitters from Rootside. And I'd like to try and just get a couple of dots. And not Jackson Pollock it like I usually do. And this, I don't really have a name for this one. I'm going to call it the Arbutus Sour, because I think this is a fantastic little number. Perfect for summer. Little of the Grand Visco, some passion fruit syrup, lime juice, and then just a dash of that rosehip and lemonade bitters from Rootside. Thanks as always for the support, guys. Can you subscribe if you've got time? Just chuck your little ding down there. I'll see you next week. Bye.